Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to run Java program using Visual Studio Code, also known as vscode. So let's start the video. So first of all, let's start the Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, this is what my welcome screen. Here you can see we have one option known as extensions, right? And here only just type Java. Here you can see option available for Java extension. First one is Microsoft. So I am going to use this. So I just click on this option, and here you can see we have an option for installing this extension. If you install this extension pack, then you can write and test your Java program in Visual Studio Code. So I just click on install button. Okay, it is installing my extension pack. Okay, you can see my extension installation is done. Now the screen, it is showing me install JDK. So for running Java program, you need JDK. If you not install JDK, you have to first install it. I have created separate video for installing JDK. I will be giving link in description box, as well as you can click on info button. Okay, so I just show you the JDK version which I am having in my PC. So type command prompt on search bar, and here type Java version. So here Java version 1.8 I am having in my PC. So with this I am going to run Java program. So since I have already JDK installed, so I will be not install JDK. Now my extension is ready to use. Now I am going to show you steps for creating Java program and running Java program. So for that, first of all, go to file menu and add folder to workspace. Select this one. Here you can select the directory or a folder where you want to save your program. So I am creating a new folder in my PC. So right click and just create new folder, type Java. Select that one and click on add button. So this is my folder where my Java program will be saved. Okay, so your directory has been added to your workspace. Here Java folder, right? So what you need to do, you just need to click on this icon and new file, click and give here file name. I'm giving name hello.java. So .java extension is important. It will create a Java file for you. So here is the file. Now I am going to write code over here. So let me quickly create a class hello. class hello and create main method. Type ma control space bar enter and select this public static void main. Right, main method created and system.out.println. So for that SOP, type SOP and select system.out.println, right, and pass here message anything. So I'm passing message here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Right. So for running this program, Java program, you have to go to this icon and don't select run code, select run Java and click on that. So it's passing me message thanks for watching, right? It's giving me thanks for watching. And you can also run this program using this click three dot icon, go to run and run without debugging. You can also run or you can use shortcut control plus F5, control with F5, run without debugging. So it's giving me output, right? Or we can press control function F5. So these are the various types you can use to run the program, right? So that's all guys in today's session. Thanks for watching. And if you have not installed JDK, I have given the link which I created a separate video for installing JDK. So please go through that and watch and set up the path of JDK. This all that I've discussed in that video. Go through that. That's all. Bye bye. Take care.